What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Another unboxing. Menlo, it's that time, February. I was worried about January. I got to order my own stuff, and actually was wearing it in one of the last videos I did, but not an unboxing. Actually, it was an unboxing for Valentine's Day, but so I wore that. It looks similar to this, but this you can't tell through the camera, but this is a thermal. But yeah, so I got the pick, and I was wondering if Menlo was gonna send another package for us, or still send the packages they were promising us, but gave us the little funds to get what we wanted. But no, but it's a good conversation, you know what I mean? I'm not mad, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's go for February's Menlo package. And before I show it, I saw the preview and people weren't too happy. It was only like 3 comments, but people weren't too happy. But then again, everybody has different tastes. So the preview I wasn't too excited about, but people were like, "Oh yeah, pause my subscription," and that's the thing you can do with Menlo. You can pause it, or don't send me this, or oh, so we're just gonna do this to take care of these type of body fits, but we're not gonna do this for that, But at the end of the day, it's your money. You don't need to do it if you don't want to. But guess what? I did it. I keep doing it consistently, and I build stuff in my closet. If I don't want it, I end up actually giving it away, or I sell it, man. Because you can't be 65 a day with some premium stuff, and the stuff they lack in some months, they make up for in others. That's all I gotta say. But let's start. Let's go with this. So new, and I'm not mad at the gray. The gray, I mean, it's kind of the print got off on it, but I'm not mad at the new gray package. Thumbnail. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. But let's go see what's going on in here. Know what's going on here, but I don't know what design, color. So I'm kind of excited. All right, so I'm gonna take it out the whole thing, and this I'm opening it with y'all, but well, try to. So the light, yeah, let's throw some lights on. Throw some lights on in here. There we go. All right, so with the lights on, there you go. All right, should have had that on a long time ago. So with this shirt, package it, nice heavy material. I'm trying to peep the color though. It's like a I don't know. It's like a light. If I would say, it's not turquoise, but it's some kind of like light green, like some kind of pastel color. I mean, I like it. It's unique. Actually, I like it. As long as I can fit it, that's fire for me. Plain shirt, just throw that on. Some jeans. I actually thought I was gonna be mad at it, but it's large. Hopefully I can fit large. I've been down some weight, so I want to point out the for people that haven't ever seen this. Can y'all? Oh, maybe I need to hold it still. No? Alright, y'all ain't mess with me? Alright, let's do this. Nope. So, figure out how to do that. But anyway, that tag right there, 5'4". That's unique. I haven't seen that 5'4" on here. Made in China tag. Tag on the side. So it's real. Real and new. I gotta put this on for fit and then see how it works out. But I'm rocking with it. I'm rocking with it. 5'4". I'm gonna throw this on like next time I get to go out. We'll see the chains out and everything, man. Just fall out of the way, put it away. That's the keeper. Oh, so they don't have the usual Menlo 5'4" pack, but they got the wrapping paper. So okay, so they threw all the little packs that come and keep it dry. threw some jeans in there. So I'm a big, I guess I'm a big boy. Oh man, but guess what? So 5'4" on the jeans. Might be a thumbnail. Let's know. 5'4" Los Angeles. 5'4" Los Angeles on the tag. So these look huge to me, like, but guess what though? Sometimes I'm huge in the hips. But pause. But let's check these out. So these are blue denim jeans. Naturally, nowadays you be like, oh man, you got all kind of different types of jeans and all this other stuff that you want to rock with. You know, I'm 38, fam. I'm 38, fam. So these are the jeans that I used to just get in my 20s, late 20s, early 30s. These are the type of jeans I used to get. I used to get Levi's, but 501s, but and I would always stay with a pair of blue denim. Now, what I was saying in the past about 5'4", even with one of these, and I hope it's not like this. Let's just see if these. I don't know if these are straight leg or what. Let me check it out. Oh, so the jeans are straight fit. Okay, so straight fit. So not skinnies, because I don't rock skinnies, but I don't rock with no baggy jeans anymore or anything like that. So I want them to fit me. So I think straight leg will be good, and I think this waist size will be good for me. But so this is a keeper. But let's what I want to get into is with these. So the issue I had, and I wore these jeans all the time last year. I think it was last year or 2 years ago. Was similar type of jeans, and they were the skinny fit with the but they weren't like skinny jeans, but with it was denim, but it had the elastic, like the, what's that called, the Velcro, not the Velcro stretch, but like the spandex kind of stretch. So it's like jeans, but it's like stretch pants. But those I wore all the time, but it was like, I remember I had some beige Jordan 13, still got them. And when I put these on, not these, but the other pants on that I'm talking about, the bottom, the dye ripped off, and I was like, okay, man, I didn't wash the jeans before I wore them or anything like that. I was like, that's the problem. I washed them a couple of times, bro, and they were still like rubbing off, and the ink was on my hand and stuff like that. So hopefully they corrected the problem with this stuff. And I'm just being real with y'all, 100. So if y'all watch this video, rock my channel. I've been rocking 5'4". Yeah, they don't do anything for me and nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? But I rock with them. So I'm a member, all that stuff. I do reaction unboxing or wrappings every month. So, and even when I get stuff on my own. So yeah, I'm just hoping that this right here doesn't rub off, for real. So I'm gonna tell y'all the good and the bad. But yeah, any other members that's part of you know, that's followers or watch the video, or if you're not a subscriber or anything like that, let me know what y'all got, man. You know, I just stuck with my whatever I had from the last package that I wanted, and I changed my style profile. I just kept this one just to see what I'll get, and that's what I got, man. You know, so new package. Got a pair of jeans, got a pair a shirt that I'm not mad at. I'm gonna rock it. The first time I get the opportunity to rock it, you know, and I'm starting to think in my head, like I think I'll have something in my head that might wanna do with it. But anyway, again, take care of each other. Be safe. Be healthy. If you're sick, stay home. You know, that type of thing. Can't force nobody to get the vaccine, but I want y'all to be safe and be healthy. Also, man, I just want to say it's so good to again have 1,000 subscribers. I'm working on that watch time. You know, hopefully we get monetized soon. But either way, I appreciate the support all day. Love y'all, man. Appreciate it. KB's World on that D-Man.